KP classes dedicated to excellence.
Hello NATA aspirants. Did you ever come across this phrase? Practice makes a man perfect? I bet you did. Then why are you making the same mistake again and again? Why are you not practicing for the preparation of your NATA examination or for your JEE preparation? It is very, very important that you practice these questions. I cannot emphasize enough on this particular point. The syllabus that you have is part A, drawing and composition test, which is going to be in the offline mode. First thing that you have to do is composition and color, which is going to be of 25 marks. Sketching and composition, black and white, again 25 marks, and 3D composition, which will have 30 marks. Now, if you think that you will watch multiple videos online, you will come across various images, and based on that, you will be able to solve this part 1 or part A of your syllabus. Highly mistaken. You won't be able to score good marks. You have to make sure that you practice very, very well before the examination. Okay. Number 2 over here. Part B, which has MCQ and NCQ. So no choice questions and multiple choice questions. Now in this also it is very important for you to practice. You will say, okay, if I have learned the architectural styles, if I have learned the history, why do I need to practice? You need to practice first of all to manage your time and to be confident in the examination. Okay, that is the GK part. But what about visual reasoning? Okay, you can make a very silly mistake in the examination if you are not practiced well before the examination. Please make it a point that you practice really well before your examination. I assure that it is going to be a huge rank booster for you. Okay, promise and comment in the chat box that yes, you are going to start practicing all these questions from now on. Thank you, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more such videos.